Good morning, my name is Hugo Indish and today I will demonstrate the bidirectional data binding feature in SwallowApp. SwallowApps is a graphic environment that lets you create applications by using visual components that you place on your page. You can set some parameters on these components, and more specifically in this case I want to show that you can connect the components to model variables. For this example I will use a very simple model that consists of one single variable. So I connect my slider to this variable that is called v in this case. I will add two more components, two input boxes that I will connect to the same model variables. So the three components will be connected to the same variable. In bidirectional data binding, when view components change or updated, the model is updated accordingly. So you manipulate the view and this will change the model. And when the model changes, all the viewing elements that show the model will be updated. So we see the result of this is that in this case my three components will always remain in sync. If I change the slider, the input boxes change, and if I change the input boxes, the slider changes, and everything remains in sync. This principle can be used for creating much more complex applications. In this video, I will demonstrate the creation of a small application that is called SwallowApps that lets you edit a list of RGB colors. So you can add colors to the list, you can change the colors using sliders, and when you're done you can display the resulting list as a JSON document. So we see that here our model is much more complicated. It has a nested structure. So there's also a side pane in the small application that lets you edit a secondary list, and as we see the two lists are independent from each other. This example was created only inside the editor, so we didn't have to program anything. So it's only graphic components and bidirectional data binding. So from this point I will demonstrate all the steps required to build the SwallowApp example. If you're interested in the details, stay tuned. I will not comment, I will just let the video flow. And otherwise, thank you for listening. Have a nice day.